more health news because Northwest Health MEC Sello Lehari will brief the media in Mahikeng regarding babies born on Christmas Day. And for that, SABC News reporter Zebilon Maine is at the briefing. Zebilon, a very good morning. Just as that briefing is obviously set to get underway, perhaps you can talk to us about some of the sentiments that have been echoed. Yes, we're celebrating the bundles of joy, concerns about underage pregnancies as well. What's happening on your end in the Northwest Province?
Good morning to you, Liziel, and the viewers out there, and Merry Christmas. Yes, indeed, we are here in Mahikeng Provincial Hospital, where MEC, together with Premier of the Northwest, they are expected to visit Mahikeng Provincial Hospital to welcome and receive new babies. But to get more clarity with regards to this, we are going to talk to the spokesperson for the Premier, Sello, who's going to give us the details as to when is the Premier and expected to be here, and also to quantify for us that if are there any numbers that they have received with regards to the babies that have been born currently. Sello, Tatai, thanks very much for joining us, my brother. We are here at Mahikeng Provincial Hospital, and we understand that Premier is expected to visit the hospital together with MEC Sello Lehari. Just tell us more about this visit.
Well, thank you, Zeb. Let me also take this opportunity to greet your viewers. Well, I can confirm that the Premier of the Northwest Province, and that Lazarus Mukosi, accompanied by MEC Lehari and other dignitaries of the department, will be visiting this particular facility. And as you correctly pointed out, to welcome the 31 babies who were born on this particular day. We understand that only 2 was born in this particular facility. But even above that, the Premier will be handing some goodies to the mothers, and including the babies. And this forms part of the province's ongoing efforts to commend the workers who are offering essential and critical services during this important period of our holidays.
And now, Premier, I guess when Premier comes here, we'll get a holistic report as to how many babies have been born in this province today.
No, definitely, as I indicated, it's 31, but he will get a more detailed report as per the districts and so forth. But we understand that Bojanala region is leading in that particular aspect. But you know that about 2-3 weeks ago, the Premier had a quarterly media briefing where he indicated that an additional 200 million has been allocated to the Department of Health to bolster the department's ongoing efforts to render health services to the people of the Northwest. This will include an additional hiring of nurses, doctors, including community healthcare workers.
Thank you very much. That is the Premier spokesperson, Sello Tatai, indicating to us that 31 babies were born in this province today. And we understand that last year there were about 50 babies that were born at this particular time last year. With that, back to you in studio.
Zebilon, thank you. Very, Merry Christmas to you, and from us to you. Obviously, wishing you all the best ahead of that briefing that's set to take a little earlier on. As you heard, about 31 babies being welcomed this far. So we're looking forward to that official briefing, quantifying those numbers as the day continues.